Hey guys, so here's a fun way to upcycle a frappe cup or a coffee cup, or if you're in Cyprus, cherry tomatoes cup, into a really nifty recovery ICU little chamber for your orchid or plant. It can work with anything, it can work with stems, propagations, and all of that fun stuff. So make sure that first you wash your cup really well with dish soap, then you place a whole bunch of sphagnum moss in the cup. That's a little too much. A decent amount of sphagnum moss in accordance to your plant. Then we place the little orchid or plant or the cutting inside like so, and then we put on the dome. Voila! And this will make sure that the environment inside is humid. This will help with transpiration, which is one thing that sickly orchids or plants or even cuttings should be a little bit more protected of. Transpiration can lead to excessive dehydration. And also we have a nice, airy, moist environment for the new roots to grow into. And yeah, that is about it. Make sure that the moss is slightly damp when you work with it because dry moss is a nuisance. And if you need a little bit more water, just add it after you place your orchid or plant inside. And there you go, presto. Very nifty little way to reuse your plastic coffee cups. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.